I'm so fucking proud of this crowd. But I don't know which side to be more proud of. Is it this motherfucking side? Or is it